My name's Scott Schell. I'm here at EVO. I'm an AMGA certified ski mountaineering guide, an ARI Avalanche instructor, and the education coordinator for the Friends of the Northwest Avalanche Center. So here's a few things to consider when purchasing an avalanche transceiver, also known as a beacon. First off, all the beacons that you can find out there on the market are compatible with one another. They all use the 457 kilohertz frequency, so any beacon you end up buying works well with all the others. The beacon that I have today here is a Tracker 2 from BCA. Some things that you want to consider when you're looking between different beacons. First off, when you're searching for a single beacon, most all the transceivers work pretty similarly. They're very quick and they're pretty intuitive. The thing that separates beacons from one another is how they act with multiple searches. When your beacon is searching for multiple buried beacons. And each manufacturer has a different theory on what works best. And the key with all of that is that whatever beacon you choose, you get lots of practice with that beacon. Since they do operate a little bit differently, that's the most important part to consider with all these different beacons. Most all beacons come with a harness, and that's how I'd recommend carrying the beacon, is to use the manufacturer's harness. It's intended to wear somewhere on your abdomen underneath several layers. That's the best place for this beacon. It should never go in a backpack. And then another thing is, once you get your beacon, you're going to want to put batteries in it. Most of the beacons come with batteries, but there's a couple things you should know. The batteries that you're supposed to use with these beacons are regular alkaline batteries. Rechargeable batteries don't work, and the lithium batteries we don't recommend either. That's a few things to consider when purchasing a beacon. Having the avalanche gear is only part of the equation. Knowing how to use it is the other part. I'd recommend that you take an avalanche course and get familiar with your gear on that avalanche course from a local provider.